Hello and welcome to the Wartime Diary of Eliza Beale. So this is this was a Second World War evacuee who was actually saved from the Second World War. And the date you can see on the right-hand side is Thursday, 31st of August, 1939. So let's just read this first diary entry that we have. So, dear diary, today has been horrible. Mum told me that the government is worried about the threat of war, so they don't think that London is safe anymore. We're going to be evacuated to the countryside. At first, I was excited about the idea of a family holiday. However, Mum explained that she can't come with us. George and I have packed a pillowcase each with clothes and a few biscuits for the train. He's too young to understand what's happening. Lucky George. I can't sleep at the moment. Mum couldn't answer any of my questions. I wanted to find out how long we are going away for or where we're going. All I know is that we must go to Waterloo Station tomorrow morning. Eliza. So you can see her first diary extract was made when they were being evacuated to the countryside because the Second World War was imminent and it could take place at any time, which meant that their home in London was not safe. So Mum would stay behind in London, possibly just to look after the house, maybe, we don't know. That's all the information that we have at the moment. But let's just carry on for Eliza's second diary entry. So, dear diary, I'm writing from the train station. I've got a big tag dangling around my neck as if I'm about to be posted somewhere. It even says my full name on it, Elizabeth Beale. I tried explaining that everyone calls me Eliza, but I just got shooed away. I've decided to hide it underneath my gas mask box because then people will have to ask me for my name. Our teachers from school are sitting with us, but our parents weren't allowed any farther than the station barrier. It was so hard saying goodbye. Our school is getting on to the next train, but we don't know how long we will have to wait. I'm so hungry. I gave George my biscuits earlier because he looked like he needed cheering up. Now I wish that I had saved one for myself. There we go. Okay, so a bit of a sad time at the time for her and her family members being evacuated, but at least they were going somewhere nice and safe. So Waterloo Station, by the way, is a very big train station in London. So have a read of this again and answer some of the questions, and we'll discuss this in more detail in our next lesson. Thank you.